Ebusa from akwa eba to my GH meso de mo aso subscribe my page no nya do man sama me. So na me app bia so na on celebrate my media ni CK. Now ebusa for information na me sa kano efre Prophet Elisha Osei Kofi Akache. Na ebusuan ye be kai say 2 weeks ni na information better about say ye papa Osei Kofi efri mu. Na as a matter of fact, eko wie chie no information na esan beto ho ne say papa no o free mu ye na de oye no e ya azan opre ekwan bi afaso apeja asori a oye ekoye komodidi a Ghana for we na no edi wu komo bloggers any news reporters etwi ben busuan etwi ben kenen sore mabisa se ede na eko na ebusafo di komo kire mu se omodi hye no enwuye na as a matter of fact wa fall into coma a omobon pa se obetime free mu aba now anche na Archbishop Amakwata echro krata de beta bontin se Osei Kofi Elisha no we free mu na rumors are circulating say we fall into coma onwuye de yen disregard those informations na as a matter of fact senator chere say etwa say we nipa wukro no we chire atemu no sa na ato ye nia bema ana yen papa Prophet Elisha Osei Kofi ene dia me no kase Archbishop Amakwata asabedin komo na ne komodi a wo di na wo chire mu say eye cardiac arrest na ekum yen papa Elisha Osei Kofi man koti ha wo den 7.25
wo de yen ka binshi yate ya ne se eja brichi abo oman Ghana. First of all, Musa said a Prophet Elisha Osei Kofi what he said Oyare.
Oh, that's it. Interview in Kenya and Kebasa Nadia and Kabakasa is answer yeah the press release no about that. Nothing so the nebusia a year and Yasafo and a cabo. We am a baiti and a buyer mampo. I say, and you'll be a where you are for. Every year be a check up. Indeed, sell your redaho. And I say, you're really born, and sir. Say history in you. So what I say. Or you're a normal person. The same will be beating me a Menkai in Kofoya, former NDC Vice President with His Excellency John Mahama, His Excellency Emisata. I helped him our Jim Hona Ukonya heart attack if an cardiac arrest. Heart attack here about so a map recope nobody know from medical point no Babon Kai and Kai and ya DB on Jimmy Basso. Inside a young for that. They are prominent head of state, president. One year heart attack. Similar. So, Eba Mom Kai. But, Ubenya symptoms be. I am Mamma and Dibu, I know Tio, you're not your shopping be or come out. We are now who is on who you are sabi nti ade doctor for no ne obeka na won ehwa ya ma because onyuma doso so I say nti sir uncle do the severest pointer nobody will go that direction sana ne dia na ko ya no ho odin Aquany program was one she see so the Casa in Nashes she see it. Oh, if your Casa in Nashes she see it, and the cross that she see it. So, can you a program was back? So, I say, at the action, the Accra. So, me, no one saw a year do or when nti on the eno koko prepare na me ade do no owo kwan so e de friend so papa sesen wachi bra na ne ho fa no kra nti ono obehia won ewo if you I want to check am to more nation the come no straight or call it but no call hospital that is enson the ben one because want to die for
okay
ontimi call 37 ontimi call Hawa the nearest one that is the prudent and oba ne bema atena so long on our ma 4 member 2 emma 2 office so nti we go pain the new hospital afra boys here with you so the PU bi aba nti hospital ho no one so prayer anyi na won bo na mani na anyi ite no so bo na busia penya mani normal train owo ba the best thing is to inform the family and not instantly or inform the family no inform the busia fonso ono no kwa na wan kra
okay so pani wo dia on kasa yim o se wanyare anna ho se bia wo yare eda ho but babontre union media ba ko ohene ba media de babontre se oba ho no anase yinyina tete no media no so wo free mu anase wo ni katias fo bi mu o de betu dwase so kokoma na ono sansem no sen na emu nchiri mu esitiye pede wo kan we
media me na mi chiri mu isa se ono so kokoma na so chiri mu ayi de na ka chire no buja be na ka chire no me na ka chire no one ka chire no ano ko hospital ho ena doctor for ka chire so analyze for ka chire so oni ni okoma
ase pe the atise bono so the buy
atise bia must have a source moye media for atise must have a source. It should not just be say me tell you na be can be let you aye na sentem media for bia aye nkanfo esamon ma no e ba somutie
yeah
ka kono so ono obi eni so baba kire so na o de pe viewers you don't do that all these people you do it so on people no people do you of us all your sa e won ya dey di agro ana odi for Prince Elisha say Kofi wabobra so nti on transition the last hour abi nyamisuro nyumo to onyi abusia ho onyi anua mo onyi yire ho onyi ma ho onyi asafo ho na wow ka no fia busia
so when you like per wo checks a hodo wo ye bia no enkyere se okokoma
enye checks bia
se bia babusa na yire babusa busia no busa na sofo bi no pa bi on ben no
edi kan ya ka se odi pa no wa nyare ona ni yire wo fie so ataze ni da kram so oko wa sorry one were errands be a so ye because a ye be o so ataze ana oko na kwa so no oye no their friends say papa enti nikura o si ne koma enti koma bene ewom so akokoma what is wrong to say akokoma what is wrong akokoma so go who hospital or better hospital bed so there will be necessary doctors is it sinful to be in coma is it wonderful to be in coma other men of God who have been in coma before. Even Baba, give my Baba. See what is special about honorarium. Say coma, I didn't know because you coma. Coma, with your penny, and the Ekasa, because Uncle Coma. Happy. Because any brother and about. An ending of life. You not see the person, everything is finished, kaput.
Person is we a babon, Tino. If say a software any Bushiano would do a count. A dear relationship, and I only a year the late Prophet Penselasa was a coffee a war.
The spiritual father and the prophetic archbishop, Dr. Elisha Salifo Amwako.
Oh, okay.
So, Emma, men so the band on so Juma or your friend until you say, oh, you remember me say, sir, as of penny. So as I say, and did you know or the man? I was say coffee and because a share so old, say papa, or papa, send or bois the papa no. I don't know so or problem be allow us me, ministry so be something about me, Jane. Or lunch book when a papa than the cocoa lunch book. I play a major part. And I'm a coach minister on actually several times. So from 1 month to his death, he shall know a conquer Johnson here. Only a year. I'm saying, I say, oh, so papa, fetching me, papa, fetching me. I say, hey, you do not say me once and now, what kind of so as I say, or you may back recope. As long as it's of the air concern. I mean, back recope. I have mentored him. I have taught him so many things. I am very respectful. So I'm afraid we didn't need the amount. Now, actually, being come so now, what you want? At that time, so no. Now, so for penny, a prophetic archbishop, like I Makona Okokumas.
Oh, okay.
Or your program. It is a called Ejina. Asafono, as a benefit. 1 year to work on them. Just 1 year a journal. It's just one rely on us. See, no, we shall follow him say, or Tiasano, not join a Sofuku. And see, a day of wedding, one Brazilian. We have a packet for us and Paco. They are more at the bank also at the ato when you track on some one province so about one she won't wreck. Did I say we say your back a savage situation? A camel near my down because all your suffer penny. Just say, and you can say, Yen Yamakis, I say, if we are Saban,
so Papa say, when I say, and only time audition, the last time audition, and I say, apart from no channel.
Well, the last time audition 1 month ago, sir. I saw one ever to sir. Oh, okay, sir. Sir, Sema, Yana, a bab one thing, say, a software, a demon yet, a software, and share or more, a blab, or more show money per year, you won't share no more checking away. But what is handsome we are? Say there are some many break, casa, a fast of home, put to pull marbles, we are so for no free mo, say the woo crab and the brain, a cassette. Ebi say spiritual, ebi say physical, ebi say here. Apa asofo no, dia na osemo Elisha from Tisbai. The body didn't want Bible muda. What kind Bible no see? Chi Bible say Elisha oyari oyari. It's na. I got something like such a prominent man. Or then is that to be shown when Yanni. Oh, we have gone and you don't pay cry up prono. Or be a way you don't money kind of open on Yanni, but on Yanni. It does not mean say that marriage gets on. It does not mean say that you mean in so. So, mysteries surrounding death. I can tell somewhere a woman. Ipa na ini anumwaye. Na me plan or what anumwaye. So this baby says here, if you want to read meanings, you may read it ever and ended that. But the simple truth is say cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest is there be about once now once to me and according to doctors there a more in kaya crown a more kaya to send a serious be say be when the shopping be or come home like and ya be about chow and when the shopping be team so be on nine be as on nine jinibisa blood no flow ye na a massage na aye what do you must say making me heart attack so or a healthy young man okoyiniti on a Thursday.
Okay.
So Friday.
Oh, Friday. Never told you so Friday.
Community on we say Thursday. And then the ma in that to be it's not community no so it's yeah seconds are there natural mama ni maintaining natural no big so big kukuno or the me kukuno
bani yemusa akra se dia abetodwa dabonte se cardiac arrest na ekun na se akoma yare ani kun no wuti bibi ana se bia ehye no ho che ewo no ho che ana bi pokra na ono ankasa entu ana mo na abewie sa mrewe ya na sa die esia no
ochi wenya akwanyere ya akwanyere eba ebon kaye but emon kaye sa akwanyere ibu abeti shopping ewo kuma ase na se baby na uti hu na anase bia bo se una ya jini bi na ya massage ma ni na se ba in a short time na ko so unya obi a we too aggressive ewo we health is what oba kwa ya chaka aye ujiwe unya se set experience
ne bi breba yen ko check up yes
nti enye se morning kai ebe morning kai ba me but morning kai se cardiac arrest so I say it just feel be the pen so no na eno no ho ajuju awi o so eniti ana na ka se ye ha ye nwi yennom garlic pills no me ade no because everybody no ma na ne moja bia enenam ni paduan sisi ne yemfa ya dwen in so as me say crystal mentor every 2 weeks bia na me de agu nso mu nso share na ma inhale ade ni say stem no komu ni na che moja bi kwada oba bia be na ni se bibi ne nko ya ebe straight ni ma convince me ni ade so na me ya work on so so na si anka me yanya cardiac arrest me investigations the doctor said to me no me say doctor I makuma tisi makuma me ya me pay tester be man enye we enye ABC kwa ina sa no who say there was a tension building up on my heart.
Oh, okay. Kasa kwa den kanya ku
no doctor no na me yes search obey no de hu it is aka oya no ena misu me tie dia gane aka me chefon so enti no no ha no plan so ba so so young man yeah be the 40s mo late 40s enti nya dia only pan wo yi ti o ya wada it tells you so prepare for Sunday
so papa eba bontena na say ubati yes obi kwa na nam so akoy obi bibi na obi kwa enam so ayi bibi am na ti we dey spiritual way
we are there for we are
so for that can say more from opa
because people are ignorant about that. People also for quite yare kranu wa nkofon tells and just also for yare. Elisha or yare wo yare.
so we never fan ko hu we
I am not. There is no spiritual thing attached to it. Spiritual thing different. I am not mad deaf. It's your words of Christian. Christian need be any or serious Christian life with the Lord. What do you mean?
And the say when age go nya ye na wo ye nya meduma na pray wo frɛ
Yes, Christian. And yet 3 years. Eh? 3 years.
so we have want to
John the Baptist would be life is not how long you live, but how well you serve your purpose. Alexander the Great, when need 30 years, no, the way. If I'm not mistaken, 30 years, no, the way. That's what you would the purpose. So I can say, you know, yeah, no, me too. In quantity, and I'm a say. I said, I can say, you might have the mound, men have a man about a share where we bra and from so. They may read meanings. May read meanings. May I'm a desert. Ghana one. One Ghana TV. Anka men granting we interview the crowd because you know we are in Casa. But me no send you musubanti. And I'm granting we media has be a boy me obia. But me no send you material crowd. Only man 90 for so many years, me send them your money. Because anka men Casa. But if I say ubia say he died a natural death.
oh okay
So cardiac arrest is a natural death. So Obi, Papa, who 94, 96 years. Okoye, postmortem report. Also, now phlegm association and natural death. Natural death. So one could accident. And you can say untimely death. One could free about so I'm a buffon. One being said, Uncle Tonshu will be a money too. So what I say, it's a beautiful death. So although I am young, beautiful death.
Papa, you may kind of say the essay in no when you're konya no akasa said what is
Maybe they say you're in native.
Oh, okay.
You're in native there. Uncle or ring me. Miss me ring him. I wish your penny. You didn't come on.
Okay.
Come on, you didn't. You said I won't cry. Oh no. So for penny, Elisha was with him. And I could feel saying, no offer. I am in Alabama. So, at that, from on the 13th, 14th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 14th, 15th, 16th March.
Okay.
How can you? Oh no, there is anything in Azo. It's grow. It's a Busiano. How about yes, opportunity mean you know? Tis that. No more person or share no offer. And you know. So, I know, yes, crown on the year and the year and the Asafano. Yes, you're bay. That is the beauty of it.
And then it's okay, my wool is what a sin as a cost of abuse damage.
Abrako kese ba. So abrako kese. Ana so tro mi enu.
Amani ha.
E mai na. Nti ami say I say I was 46 years. Not near friends away. Young lady. So, nti esen krofo sympathizing with Neripa.
Oh, okay.
Was set a young lady Obabe Yukura. Enough from.
So, Papa, it is a Obabe program. I was sorry.
27.
And now we see a basso, and I said, yes, see, Matty, maybe
you knew her.
I said, a man for I prepare saying Kajakomo.
Every Sunday, you call Sunday, you call
Mokonaso.
Sunday be a call. So, since your toy, and every Sunday be a call. Minute, prophetic Archbishop Elijah Marco, and name for
Koya solo.
yes, but that was sorry, 9 years sorry.
Oh, okay.
Sunday we ever call.
No, like I say, men can say, I saw that so a cost to say we free. I saw it inclusive.
Now, yes, you will.
So that you say, oh, that's all. No,
that's all. No. Are you two men at the edge, man? Chris, two men at the edge, man.
Says Papa, you name say, I saw funny be brave. I saw man, free man, I saw no.
It is an unplanned succession plan. They are there here, but succession plan. No, so plan or any succession plan. Or yet to. As you are intelligent, or yet to. As an or connect. That's why an administration. Very good. Very good. Right? It's one of the which is a fantastic.
Okay.
The PA, very accurate. Oh, why are they?
So, Papa, only we shall need to make a crack. Seven and 7 months for big kaka. Say a continue na omo koso kakan simbia. And near Bushiano and your mother. But me at one more be a case. And I say, BCB
press conference. I press release. Yakawum. We say, or be our face or nim seeing now or person or speculating in your court. Because by law you can't do that. What should be on your information? I know Obi wona Jaso e de ajiudin ana e dey any ope now ko ya the video obuja
apanya de
sir nobody should make an attempt on sympathizing with us one who so a young man ya mamre mu kra obi ani ho an ho ni mfun so ya mamre mu ba so openi bi e da ho ama yakane chase mboni ba
David
enye media for ba ye unprofessional way evil no fear of God yes say on the president can't you what professionalism are you practicing as a media person?
So Papa mo tese mbisi ya mpelefo mo tese na ehamo
Nipa. Abatiase.
Na do afrim dada.
O abatiase.
No ame do atiase.
Ati say ye gu ma me ho fia.
And the besi.
Ebusia weni update ekoso a free Prophet Elisha Osei Kofi Akate. Papa ya obekasa sofopeni a Oda Council of World Bishops and Clergies ano eno abedin komo. Mesrese wa dwuntire bia wo bia na fatwo maye. Na fini demu a subscribe my page ni adoma na se na ye upload bia so na on sabet maka media ni CK makra.